Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we review the latest tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today we're taking a look at the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum. This versatile cleaner is designed to tackle everyday messes and pet hair with ease, offering convenient features for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into how well this Shark cordless vacuum cleans your home and adapts to different situations. This section covers its raw power and flexibility. This chart highlights the vacuum's core ability to clean effectively across various surfaces, its battery performance, and how easily it adapts from floor to handheld use for a comprehensive cleaning experience. The HyperVelocity Suction promises incredible cleaning performance for both everyday messes and high-traffic zones, which sounds very effective for most homes. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime for cleaning, which is great for quick daily tasks, but remember this is measured in standard mode. This vacuum offers great versatility, effectively cleaning both bare floors and carpets. It also easily converts into a handheld unit for surfaces like stairs and furniture. Convenient features like bright LED headlights help reveal hidden debris, and the extra-large dust cup includes a CleanTouch Dirt Ejector for hands-free emptying. Overall, the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum offers a strong cleaning foundation with good adaptability for everyday messes and targeted pet hair removal. Next, we will explore the design and practicalities of owning the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, including its physical layout and included tools. This section evaluates the vacuum's thoughtful design elements, ease of maintenance through its dust cup, the utility of its included accessories, and its overall value proposition for consumers. The low-profile design makes cleaning under furniture much easier, and the unique freestanding storage feature is a major plus for keeping your space tidy. The extra-large dust cup capacity allows for longer cleaning sessions, and the CleanTouch Dirt Ejector ensures a hygienic, hands-free disposal process. This vacuum comes with essential accessories like a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool, enhancing its capability for tackling specific cleaning challenges. Considering its robust cleaning features and specialized tools for pet owners, this Shark vacuum presents a strong overall value at its price point. This Shark vacuum offers a well-thought-out design that prioritizes compact storage and includes useful accessories, providing good value for its price point. The Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum stands out as a strong option for anyone needing a versatile, lightweight cleaner, especially pet owners. Its HyperVelocity Suction and specialized tools make quick work of pet hair and everyday spills across different floor types. While the 40-minute runtime is good for many tasks, keep in mind it's in standard mode. Overall, it delivers excellent performance and thoughtful features for its price point.